If you've been having trouble starting your car or keeping it running, your battery or alternator could be the culprit. Both your battery and your alternator deliver power, so why are both needed for your vehicle to operate properly? Here is the simple difference between the function of a battery and an alternator. The battery stores electrical energy to start the engine and power accessories, while the alternator generates electricity to power the car and recharge the battery while the engine is running. Now, I will let you know about the bad battery symptoms, and these include frequent jump starts, sulfur or rotten egg smell from the battery, swelling or bloating of the battery case, clicking sound when trying to start your engine. Slow cranking may sound like rrr, rrr, rrr when trying to start your vehicle. Now check out some common symptoms of a bad alternator. These symptoms are repeatedly dead batteries, dim or overly bright lights, the caustic smell of burning rubber, whining, grinding, or growling noises under your hood, underpowered or malfunctioning accessories like windows, radio, etc. Now we are off to the final conclusion. If the engine starts but dies immediately, your alternator probably isn't keeping your battery charged. If a jump starts and keeps your car running, but the car can't start again off of its own power, a dead battery is probably your answer.